What's up, you guys? I am back with another video. My name is Opia, and Rosalind Beauty has sent me this nail kit. It's glow in the dark, 6 colors, and they are super pigmented, so pretty, and I can't wait to show you guys. I will leave the link down below. Yeah, but they sent me this kit like maybe 2 months ago, girl, but I'm gonna be quiet and I'm gonna let y'all look at the shades because the shades are super pretty. And I did do 2 coats just to get that full pigment, glow in the dark effect. And yeah. So yeah, we are going in with a clear acrylic just to kind of lay down a base because I am going to do like an ombre situation going on. I got inspired by oh my god, what is it called? I think it's called the Cake Refinery, but I'm gonna put their Instagram, like the picture, that the inspo from them, because it was like really cute. I really liked it, and I was like, oh, maybe I can recreate that with acrylic. Because yeah, I didn't have the polished, well, I mean I had the polish, but I wanted to recreate it with acrylic, period. So I'm going in with the yellow to do like a cuticle ombre type situation. Then I do the blue, period. Okay, let me stop saying period. I've been watching Bad Girls Club, I mean not Bad Girls Club, Baddies West, Baddies South. It's been taking a toll on my brain, girl. I just been, period. That's all I've been. Well, no, I've been saying that. But anyway, who cares? Now we're going in with my Valentino cover powder. This is, I think this is cotton candy. No. This is I'm gonna link it down below, girl. I don't remember what color that is, but I'm gonna link everything down below. If I don't, and it's something that you want to get, just comment down below, let me know, because sometimes I be feeling like I be putting stuff there and for no reason. So if y'all want it, let me know and I will link everything down below, girl. I got you. But yeah, so back to what I was saying before. Y'all know Betty's East is coming out soon, child. I went to Zeus Network too quick, okay? Because let me tell y'all, I only got the what is it? The free subscription? No, it's not a free subscription, but it's like 30-day free. You know how they do the free trial, girl? I only did like a free trial to a certain amount, child. I was trying to cancel it. Watch whatever I wanted to watch. Finish watching Baddies East, West, whatever. Anyway, they got Baddies East coming out, child, and I was like, okay, I need to pay the subscription so I can see this Baddies East because I'm hooked, okay? And I know y'all probably tired of me talking about, like, girl, shut up. We don't want to hear Baddies East, Baddie West, Baddie South, Baddie. We don't want to hear it. But, girl, I just need to talk about it because it got my attention. You got my attention. Copy that. But no, for real, like, they really got my attention. Like, I've just been watching. I watched the trailer and I got so hyped. I was like, hey, Baddies East, Baddies East. And I don't know why Krishan in there, because, girl, you was pregnant. What you doing? You need to be in the house, baby. In the house with your pregnant self, okay? You don't need to be on nobody's baddies, okay? But, yeah. Anyway, I'm going to leave y'all alone with this baddies because y'all probably sick of me, okay? So this actually came out really cute. I like it. And the other nails came out super cute. I try to cut, like I said, I try to cut my videos to the point where you could learn from it, or just to watch for entertainment purposes. Like, but because if I can't get through editing, I don't like my videos to be too long, because if I can't get through editing, that means y'all will not be able to watch the video, okay? So if I can get through editing, that means y'all be able to watch the video, the whole video. So I try to make my videos short enough to get information, but also, yeah, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but what I'm trying to say is I'm just trying to make these videos short as possible. And yeah, girl. Okay, so like for my next set, I'm thinking about doing duck nails, because I think I've done every shape except duck nails, and I always wanted to do duck nails, but I just kind of shy away from it because I'm like, I don't know. But you know, I feel like if I get my experience with different shapes, because my favorite shape right now that I'm trying to master is long almond. Like, for some reason I'm trying to learn how to do almond nails, because they so cute on me, and then like they just give like really sophisticated, classy. I mean, all the other styles do too, but for some reason, for my hand, almond is looking real cute. It's looking real classy on me, okay? And don't get me wrong, I love my coffin. Coffin makes my hands look slimmer as well. And but yeah, I do want to do some duck nails, Haney. We gotta do some duck summer something. I don't know. I'm gonna try to come up with something. And we'll see. Hopefully they come out cute. I don't know. But this style, I wasn't going to upload this video because I was like, I don't know if it's cute enough. Because I kind of struggled with my nail art a little bit. Because if you don't practice your nail art all the time, you kind of like forget how to do certain stuff, how to shade stuff, you know, your line work and stuff. So I haven't done nail art in a minute, and I just kind of got like tired and irritated. I was like, I'm not doing no more. So I only did, the idea was to do like a flower and a butterfly kind of like sitting on the flower. But girl, I didn't get to the butterfly. I got tired at the flower. So I kind of just did whatever to the design to kind of make it look decent, but get through it. But it ended up still coming out cute. And that cover powder is actually platinum silk, and I love that color so much. It's so pretty. Like, and then I did the glitter. And then it's not really glitter, it's like circle. It's Dynamic Supplies polka dot acrylic, and I love this. I used it before, like one time before, so this will be my second time using it, and I think it's really cute to add under a nail or encapsulate because it's cute. But yeah, I think I want to do some duck nails. What y'all think? Comment down below. Let me know if y'all want to see me do duck nails. But yeah, I will talk to you in a little bit. Child, I drew this ugly ass butterfly. I was like, you know what? This butterfly's not cute. So it ended up not going with the aesthetic of the nails. So I just ended up buffing it off because I ended up painting it and everything. I was like, no, it doesn't look right. I took it off and I just stuck with the flower and a simple design on top because it just wasn't going right for me that day. But like I said, the nails still turned out cute. And if you stayed this long, I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. I highly appreciate my returning subscribers. I love y'all so much. And I will see y'all in the next video. Love you. Bye. Mwah.
See you at the show tonight.